Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Everybody is safe. Definitely check these guys out. Their website link will be down below. And we're about to see what's inside. And you guys could take a look also. Thank you for sending me this unit for a review. If I can remember what this was. But it'll be in the link and all that good stuff. Almost there, guys. A couple more snips. And then down at the bottom. Okay, hold on. Right now, I just gotta cut the tape off, and we should be good to go. Let's see what it is that they sent us. There we go. Everything is nice and secure. It's coming from SmartWings. There's this airplane. What's another box? Oh boy. Alright. Oh boy, this is going to be cool. Now, the remote is inside. This is a 36 by 34 fabric color. Remote is inside. These are like the vertical blinds, I do believe, or honeycomb. Not sure what they're called exactly, but you know, they're like the smart shades. So if you're looking to upgrade your home this new year coming up, you might want to take a look at these guys. Oh boy, here we go. Let's see if I could just pop out the middle. Alright, cool, we get a manual. Bring your home into the future, guys. Got something here. Some kind of wire. What is this? It's like a solar panel. I'll be dang. Okay. Got some expansion screws. This is a nice package. Did a good job. We got a charging cable. Oh boy. I'm going to take my time on this. We got the brackets to mount, so I'm not going to rush this one. Oh yeah, these are nice. These are really... Put this box down on the ground for a sec. Move these up there. Over there. Yeah, these are very fancy, guys. It's bubble tape, but... Or bubble wrap. So let me undo it. I don't want to take it all the way down because I'm not sure if I gotta set it up in the app or figure that out as I go on. This, you know what? This might be a good size for my room. I think. Definitely not these windows. So I take it, this is the front. it should look. Yeah, it should be interesting to set up. Be right back.